Hello friends, I have come back with a weekly roundup video. So let's start with Nifty 50 monthly chart. I have shared this chart a couple of times in the earlier videos. So this is the monthly chart and I have plotted the fib levels for the rally we have seen so far from 1990 to 2020. And as we already discussed, Nifty retraced to 38% and bounced back. It was actually facing some resistance at 2015 highs in last week. One of the accomplishment was it actually broke that resistance and it is comfortably above that resistance level. Let's look at it on the daily chart, right? Before that, let's go to the weekly chart and see. So yeah, so we have made last week Nifty has gained 1.7%. A week earlier to that, I think we ended up just below the 2015 highs. This time it opened around that level, same level, opened at around the same level, faced some resistance, slided a bit, and then bounced back with a bang and crossed the resistance, and it's well above the resistance levels now. Let's come back to the daily chart. It was a truncated week, so we had only 4 sessions in this week. So as you can see here, we tried to it faced some resistance at this level, dropped back a little, and then jumped above the resistance level. Right. So from here, friends, so we are at the support of 2015 highs. So that'll offer a good support, I feel, in the coming days. And the resistance that we can look at right now is the 38% retracement of the downfall we have seen. So these are the fib levels for the correction we have seen so far, right from the top to the bottom we have seen so far, right? So this is a 38% level. 93.90 is a level we should watch out for. There will be some reaction, I think, at these levels, and it's not very far as well. It is just 1.5-2% above the current levels. Historically, this level 93.90 does not have any significance. This is a monthly chart again. So if you see, Nifty has not really reacted to this level before. We were in midst of a very nice rally last time when we had touched this crossed over this level. So not very sure if there will be any reaction this time. Um, but actually 38% is a key retracement level. Most of the traders and investors watch out for this level, so maybe there will be a reaction. Will it be a reversal of sort or reversal of this trend we have seen so far or not is a question to be we need to wait for that answer for a few days. So I'll also plot the this labels I had plotted before. Again, I have discussed this before on the channel. This is the Elliott correction wave pattern A, B, C. So we have seen the leg A, which saw a deep correction of more than 30%, and then we are in leg B right now, and we have retraced close to 22% from the bottom, right? We have gained 22% from the bottom, and we have retraced close to 38% of this downward rally. Now, when will the leg C start? Is a We need to wait and watch. It may react here at 38% level, or it may go up and react at this level, or it may not come down at all, which chances of which is very less, right? So let's wait and watch over coming few days. These are very critical days. This is a key level 93.90. If there is no reversal here, we may proceed further. If it is a reversal, then we need to watch out, right? Another reason to believe that there may be some reaction or reversal of sort here at 93.90 is I'll open the um, S&P 500 chart from US, uh, which we have been closely following. The Indian stock market moves are closely linked to, have been linked to US stock market moves. Um, Here we even S&P 500 is at a very critical stage. So we have covered so far 60 about 60% of the retracement of this downward rally. So we are very close to 62%, a very key level to watch out for in S&P 500. So we are barely few percentage points away from it, just exactly 2% away from it. This is a very important level. If S&P 500 does not react and reverse here, and if it continues, all the bear market cases that we have been hearing so far will be kind of proved wrong. So this is a level that most of the traders and investors are watching out for. So if you see Nifty and S&P 500 are are about same at the same gap. Nifty is like slightly below 38% retracement, and S&P 500 is slightly below 62% retracement. If there is a reversal of sort in the US markets, I think we can see reversal of sorts in Indian markets as well at 38% level. So S&P 500 was rather strong, and it actually breached the 38%, 50%, and it's now close to 62%. But our correction was actually more fierce than S&P 500, and we are still the upward rally we have seen so far is actually has not been uh, so fast as the US markets. Right. So yeah, the this week will be very critical, also being a expiry week. There are good chances of reversal, but let's wait and watch. So getting back to the Nifty chart. So yeah, hardly 1 or 2 percentage away from this 99 9390 level. Let's watch out for these levels, and I'll keep coming back to you folks with the updates. Thank you.